At Regenity, patients are at the heart of everything we do, bringing innovative regenerative technologies with speed and unmatched urgency. Delivering over 4 million devices each year to leading manufacturers worldwide, helping patients to recover faster and get their lives back on track. With a range of comprehensive capabilities and material expertise in collagen, bioceramics, and synthetic polymers, we look to drive expectations to new levels. Regenity is committed to the research and development of next-generation regenerative devices in healthcare that explore unmet needs in areas that include dentistry, orthopedics, neurology, and wound care. We believe healthcare professionals and patients deserve better, faster, and we have the expertise and determination to do both in as little as 15 months. Biocomposites are revolutionizing regenerative medicine, opening doors to enhanced biocompatibility, tailored mechanical properties, and new therapeutic applications. At Regenity, we're leading this charge with cutting-edge innovations. These composites are much more than just materials. They are a fusion of the best properties of 2 or more materials for a targeted application, creating next-generation solutions that offer a variety of benefits from superior strength, optimized degradation, targeted therapeutic delivery, and so much more. These versatile materials are not limited to just one application. They can be tailored to meet the unique demands of various specialties and specific applications, offering tailored benefits that no single material by itself could achieve. For example, in wound care, biocomposites can potentially optimize a wide range of wound environments by combining different materials to upregulate growth factors, reduce risk of infection, and improve mechanical support. Similarly, in orthopedic applications, biocomposites can incorporate bioactive ceramics to enhance bone regeneration while maintaining the flexibility needed for complex load-bearing environments. In other specialties, we can fabricate composite coatings to modify the surface of a device to potentially improve the biocompatibility and avoid adverse effects like physical irritation, inflammation, and more. This unique ability to tailor materials to meet both mechanical and biological demands makes biocomposites the perfect choice for solving challenges across sports medicine, general surgery, cardiovascular, oncology, and more. The possibilities are limitless, and at Regenity, we are ready to explore them with you to make a material difference in the lives of patients around the world. At Regenity, every innovation starts and ends with the patient. We're driven by the urgency to deliver transformative solutions that improve lives. While in-house teams or competitors may take several years, we have built a legacy of solving complex regenerative medicine challenges with our partners. Our expertise, capabilities, and history of innovations streamline the journey from concept to commercialization, yielding new innovations in as little as 15 months. The patient is waiting. At Regenity, we are committed to making every second count. We move fast, we innovate relentlessly, and we are ready to help you bring your next regenerative solution to life.